how to create email template on MailChimp. So first, go to your MailChimp dashboard. Next is just click on create here at the top left corner. And then after that, just click on email and click on template. So click on get started. Okay, let's wait for it to load. And then just you can either start from scratch, or you can use any of their templates and then edit it to design your own template from their template, so just to get any ideas. Alright, so let's say I want to start from scratch. Just click on apply. Then of course, let's name our template. So let's just say I'll name it example template. Okay, now just click on save. Okay, now let's just delete this one, and let's say I want to edit this into fill. No, scale. Okay, let's just use scale. Okay, let's just type anything here. Example template. Right, now as for this one, say I want to add a border, an inset, or a groove. Okay, so let's say you're done editing it, you're done customizing it yet. So once you're done customizing it, just click on save and exit. So after that, just let's go to our, now you've created a template. So just to check, let's just click on create. So click on template, email, then template, then just click on get started. Then after this, so just click on save templates, and there you go. Now you have your own template here. So if you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.